And
Really?
this guy's going to want to come this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this one's taking that spot anyway.
Mm-hmm. And he's going to want to back up, and you're going to have to back up and get out of his way. You see this idiot? He can't get by you, dumbass. Well, back up in the street then, idiot. You know, I really hate coming over here.
So do I.
Stupid old woman.
In her brand new car.
Yeah.
Holy crap, man.
You can get one of those if you want it.
I'll take this one.
It doesn't say compact.